Demon WP and Taurus SC can be used together by homeowners to reduce ants, roaches, and other common household pests while lowering recurring service costs. Demon WP is a wettable powder containing cyfluthrin that is best applied as a spot and perimeter dust mixed with water, then sprayed with a pump sprayer. Measure carefully using the label rates, wet the powder into a uniform suspension before applying, and agitate frequently to prevent settling. Taurus SC is a suspension concentrate formulation of flubendiamide that mixes easily with water for crack and crevice, perimeter and landscape applications. Use the label rate for general perimeter treatment and reduce concentration for interior spot treatments to avoid unnecessary exposure. Alternate applications quarterly between the two products to reduce selection pressure and slow resistance development, rotating where you treat first and varying treated surfaces. Focus treatments on entry points such as door thresholds, window sills, plumbing penetrations, and utility lines, and treat harborages like behind appliances, inside cabinets, and under sinks using a low-pressure nozzle for precision. Seal visible cracks and gaps after treatment to enhance long-term effectiveness and reapply after heavy rains or irrigation to maintain a treated barrier. Always wear chemical-resistant gloves, eye protection, and a respirator if label instructions require it. Store products locked away from children and pets, and keep written notes of dates, locations, and concentrations used so you can track what is effective. 3 common mistakes are over-application, improper mixing, and neglecting sanitation. Over-application wastes product and increases exposure risk, so follow label rates exactly and treat only targeted areas. Improper mixing leads to uneven control and equipment clogs, so measure by volume, use clean water, and agitate the sprayer tank regularly while applying. Neglecting sanitation and habitat modification lets pests rebound, so remove food and water sources, fix leaks, declutter, and combine chemical treatment with exclusion and cleaning. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors for larger or specialized pest tasks and find community advice on practical application techniques. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share experiences, product tips, and real-world results to help you make informed decisions.